Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rabbani Research. My name is Rabbani Khan, and we will talk on designing marketing programs today. As you know that to become successful, you need to have effective marketing programs. Kotler identified 5 major drivers of the new economy: digitalization and connectivity, that includes internet, intranet, mobile devices, and so on. Then disintermediation and reintermediation, that is via middlemen of various sorts. First, you eliminate the middle source, and then you reintroduce them, and that is called reintermediation. Then customization and customerization through tailored product and by providing customers ingredients to make product themselves. For example, any made to order item or ready to cook item is called customerization. And customization is giving the product to the customer according to their specification, and customerization is that you give the ingredients to the customer and also the preparation or manufacturing procedure, and the customer makes it themselves. Then industry convergence. In the industry convergence through the blurring of industry boundaries. For example, nutraceuticals. There are certain products which are nutrition for indicated for nutrition, as well as they are pharmaceuticals as well. So these two things are combined together to make it nutraceuticals. And then cosmeceuticals. There are certain skin products which are regarded as medicine as well as also helpful in beauty products as well. So that is called cosmeceuticals. Then new customers and company capabilities. Acquire new customers based on company capabilities and the products. And understanding modern marketing, it is, according to Kotler, the CEO must own the marketing function, and he should make sure that the marketing department starts small and stays small and flat as well. The marketing people should be in the field also to know the customer's feedback and to know the impulse and the pulse of the customers. Therefore, he needs to get out of the head office and face the customers for their feedback. Market research should be used very cautiously, because in most of the cases market research is not as predictable, or the result is not as predictable as they should be. While hiring marketing people, they should be passionate missionaries. They should have a passion rather than money alone. Money is already there, yes, they need high compensation, but the passion to do something for the company must be there. There should be love and respect for your customer, and then you can create a community for your customers. For example, a customers club, and then certain activities for the customers. That activities may be social, may be charitable, may be anything. Then rethink the marketing mix, and micro marketing can be done. Uncommon sense, common sense is not very common, but uncommon sense is also not very common, and you should have the intuition and the perception for your customers, for your products, and you need to celebrate that and be true to your brand, to the brand. What are the pluses and minuses of the brand? You should be true to it, them, and you should act accordingly. In experiential marketing, let your customers experience the product or the service, whatever way you want them to do. For example, in pharmaceutical business, there is a sampling of products to the doctors, and once the doctor they experience the products, the benefits of the products on their customer, then they start prescribing. This is a very normal practice around the world. In personal marketing, there is one-to-one marketing, and in one-to-one marketing, you need to focus on individual customers through a consumer database, and you can say that you single out the customers and then respond to consumer dialogue via interactivity. The consumer talks to us should be the philosophy. Then customize products and services. For example, make something unique for your customer so that they can appreciate your services and products. Then permission marketing. In permission marketing, you take permission from the customer for product detailing or product briefing or marketing. The practice of marketing to consumers only after gaining their express permission. 5 steps to effective permission marketing are: offer the prospect an incentive to volunteer, that they want to participate in your presentation. Then offer the interested prospect curriculum over time, teaching the customer about the product or service being marketed. This is more true if the product is new, because the customer they do not know how to use the product, and you can make your presentation to educate them that how the product should be used. Reinforce the incentive to guarantee that the prospect maintains the permission. Offer additional incentives to get more permission from the customers. Over the time, leverage the permission to change consumer behavior towards profits. And then the value chain. Value chain, as you might be knowing, that it starts from in supply chain or procurement and ends up to the consumer. That is one value chain or supply chain, you can say. But in marketing, we have something else as well. The price of the product, is it valuable to the customer? Is it low? Is it high? Does the customer value the price due to its economy or due to its impression of high quality? Then the cost of time and energy he needs to spend to buy the product, and then psychosocial investment in the decision that consumers might have. There are some psychological impact, there are some social impact. For example, if you are having the product of a big multinational, that's something else, and if you want to have a local product, the impression is something else. So you need to weigh the pros and cons of what you are doing. In relationship marketing, you need to develop relationship with the customers, and it should be based on the premise that current customers are key to long-term success. Acquiring new customers can cost 5 times more than the cost involved in the satisfying and retaining current customers. In relationship marketing, the average company loses 10% of its customers each year. A 45% reduction in the customer defection rate can increase profit by 25 to 85%. The customer profit rate tends to increase over the life on the retained customer. Mass customization, and we can say that it's a marketing and a manufacturing technique that combines the flexibility and personalization of custom made products with the low unit cost associated with mass production. Other names for mass production or mass customization is made to order and built to order. And as you know that in the world there are so many cars, and there are cars having specifications for different countries. For example, a small car, big car, luxurious car, economical car, and so on. After marketing, what you need to do is the strongest and potentially most favorable associations result from actual product experience. In the loyalty program, you should know your audience and you should change. Change is good for the better. Constantly update the program to attract new customers and prevent other companies in their category from developing the Me Too programs which may be competitive to yours one. Loyalty program that is static does not work on a long term basis. So you must revise and introduce this kind of program so that it can give a lifelong impact. Then engage people, and engaging people, it is important to make customers want to join the program. As we said earlier that you can make some club and some community programs. So engage people in different kinds of activities, and this includes making the program easy to use and offering immediate reward when customers sign up for the program, and that program may be a learning process for the customer as well. And in performance management system, it's a two-way, you can say. Performance management is a two-way sort of thing, that you have a mission starting with the ultimate goal and mission of the organization. You should have a mission which is followed by a vision. Then you need to develop a strategy how to reach that vision, and the strategy has processes, and the processes include system, and systems give your performance, and that performance need to be managed. And after the management, there are behaviors and actions of the employees and the customers, and the results come in. Eventually aligning all the business units, teams and individuals with the strategy that should work better. We are business consultants based in Pakistan. If you need to accelerate your organizational performance and transform your company to meet the upcoming business challenges for a better tomorrow, please contact us for a turnaround. You can find us at rabbaniresearch.net. Trust Rabbani for quality competence. Thank you so much.